Hi everyone, welcome back to 汉字说故事, the story of Chinese character. Today, we are going to learn the character 女, which means woman. This character tells quite a story. Picture this. The shape looks like a woman with her hand crossed, highlighting a sense of warmth and gentleness. She's also sitting with her knees bent, almost like she's kneeling. This reflects the old-fashioned idea of woman being a lower position than men. A little outdated, but that was the thinking back then. These days, whenever you see 女 in a character, it usually relates to woman. For example, when you take 女 woman and place her under a roof, it forms the character and which means safety or peace. It's like imagining a woman sitting safely under a roof, sheltered from the wind, rain, and wild animals outside. So, Anne shows that feeling of being safe and sound. A woman under a roof, all protected. Let's review. 女 means woman. When you take woman and place her under a roof, it forms the character. And means safety.
女 安